run away because it would not back down.
Honest, fish only ever really seen apart from them line up, clean up at quite right, but honest, it came towards us.
Yeah.
I thought, fuck off.
And you walk away from it, and it would just keep coming and coming until you fucking run. You have to run away. You're like, it was like.
Supposed to be a very good night tonight for the planet.
You know, a lot of birds.
What are we looking at?
You know, birds so over there on the sky.
Oh,
Can you see it?
oh, what are they looking at? Birds?
Hey, if you look at the video, they're moving.
Oh, the clouds, yes.
No, birds. Look. Here. No, look. They move here. Look, black light behind the tree. Can you see it? No.
I cannot fucking see no birds.
I will show you. They come here. No, come. Behind the tree here. Let's come back there, next to the big tree. It's coming back. You can see it. Disappear now.
Maybe starling, you can murmur in.
No, birds.
Birds?
Yeah, a lot. It's coming up after.